Good morning. I am going to see the difference in the look of rolling my hair for 45 minutes and rolling it for overnight. I didn't put anything on it last night. I just rolled it. And this morning I'm just taking it out, see what it looks like. So I went to bed with these rollers in my hair. Of course, they're sponge rollers with like a silk wrap or a satin wrap around it. When I was a loose natural and I would do my 2-strand twist, sometimes when it was my mini 2-strand twist, sometimes when my hair was getting a little bit frizzy, I just rolled it with these sponge rollers. It would smooth it on out. I guess because I put nothing on it last night to make the curls a little bit tighter. Looks like I may just have body again, just like I did with the 45-minute one when I used the mousse. It's a little bit more bounce to it. My next hairstyle may be a quick updo. That's my hair for today. An overnight roller set. Tell me what you think. If you like it, give me another idea for a hairstyle. Yes. This is a sister who loves her locks. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your loyalty. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. You have a God-blessed day. Take care.